Hello everyone and welcome to the Como Layout channel. Now I have this excellent recipe for making some peanut butter cookies. They are delicious and very easy to make. Since they do not contain flour, they are excellent for sending the sliced ones to our children, nephews or grandchildren, since they give them a lot of energy, or for them to take as a snack to work. Or better yet, enjoy them for dessert as a family. Either way, I know they are going to love them. So let's see what we are going to need. We are only going to need an egg, chopped butter or soft butter, and muscovado sugar, so it is gluten-free for those looking for alternatives to eating other desserts. Now let's see how to make them. We take a bowl and we are going to add half a cup of muscovado sugar. Then we add a single egg and finally a cup of peanut butter. If you don't have muscovado sugar, you can make them with normal sugar and they will look good too. Now we mix everything in the bowl perfectly until it has a consistency like the one shown in the video. It is normal for them to be greasy due to the peanut butter, so don't worry. Then we take our refractory or tray that we are going to use to put them in the oven, and you can put baking paper on it, but since I don't have just the mushroom with a little butter, make sure you do this, otherwise they may get stuck to it. Once the refractory has been greased in this case, we take our mixture and with the help of a spoon we make some balls, kneading them with our hands. Then we put them directly in the refractory and with a fork we flatten them in the shape of a cross. First vertically and then horizontally until we have the desired thickness. This is where you have to mold them to the size you want, since these cookies do not expand, so they will be the size you leave them. Take it into account to know how many you are going to do. This mixture is more or less enough for 12 or 15 cookies. Now that we have them in the refractory or tray, we put them in the oven previously heated to 180 degrees or in number 2 of your oven if they come by numbers. And we let them cook for about 12 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Just check them so they don't burn. Since time has passed, we just open our oven and check that the cookies do not have as much moisture and look more or less like the ones I show you on the screen, with a golden color and a little darker on the edges, so you will know that they are ready to take them out of the oven. Let them cool for a few minutes and transfer them to a rack so they can finish resting and you can eat them. Now that they have cooled, this is how they look, and as you can see, they look delicious and taste even better. As I mentioned before, they are excellent to send sliced to the little ones or to share as a dessert with the family. And I know that whoever you give them to try will love them. And the best of all is that they are only made with 3 ingredients: an egg, sugar and peanut butter. They are very quick to make and with ingredients that we usually already have at home. In addition, they are gluten-free for all those who cannot eat flour or are looking for another alternative to make desserts, and as you can see in the video, they break just like any cookie and they are not watery at all. So make them and tell me in the comments what you think. As you already know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances. Thanks for watching and I hope you like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.